Hi everybody, it's Josh here from the shop. I'm out here today just to talk a little bit with you about polarizing filters. So every day we have people that come in and they ask us, hey, what filters do I need and when do I need to use filters? Our biggest recommendation on filters is typically polarizing filters. So it's seen like behind me on the river where we've got light coming down, but it's reflecting and bouncing off of the water. I'm going to lose a lot of detail in the ripples of the scene, and it's going to be washed out from that glare. So by using a polarizer, I'm able to turn the filter to find the angle of light and to cut through the reflection to actually see that detail. So I'm just going to take a quick sec and I'm going to show you guys what this scene would look like before and after we introduce a polarizer. Well, that concludes our video on how polarizing filters work. I hope this educated you and brought you a visual explanation on how polarizing filters work. In the future, we hope to do longer videos and go into even bigger ideas and topics. But for now, we're just starting things out small and using this as a way to connect with all of our customers during this time of quarantine and isolation. So thanks for watching, and we'll see you soon.